Hello, this is Anthony, and this is about the 918 pallet jack. So this is the indicator that comes with it. This is checking on which kind of battery you have and how to replace the battery itself. So to find out, either way, you have to remove all four of the screws, and then we'll check inside. So I'll do that now. So you see I can remove the face. So you could remove the lid, and you see green battery or blue battery, or you can remove the entire indicator if it needs to be replaced from the housing. So in this case, you got to figure out, do you have a blue battery or a green battery? So I'll show you how to look outside. This is the green battery. And you see it's 4.8 volts, 4,000 milliamp hours. Versus you might have a blue battery, 4,000 milliamp hour, but it's 7.4 volts. You can see the difference. So what charger you need depends on the battery. So you always be asked, if I need a power jack charger, which color battery? So what you do, lift it up, check inside, and you'll see which color, blue or green. Those are the two options. If you have a really old model and it has like a OP900, OP901 indicator, then you just say that, oh, my indicator is this one on the power jack, because that might be the older model, and that's how you'll figure it out. So at least for 918, you see OP918 or T918, that's how you check for the battery. So you get a charger, and if it's a good charger, you plug it in, assume it's a correct charger. So you'll see the battery icon light up. It's charging the battery. And you'll see the connector. What's important is the battery goes to this one. So you can see this connector here. This connection here. And this one's from the bottom red and black cables for the AC power. Goes through the RS32 port, which goes to here. Make sure not to flip it because you want to make sure that the battery, this charger is charging this battery, and then this is just for the 5-pin connector, the one that connects to the actual power jack itself, and this one also goes out here. That goes to the printer. So this would be the printer cable. If you had a printer, it'll be here. So now I'll show you how to replace the battery. Very simple. You just take it out here, screws, and you might see a nut on the bottom come off, and then you can replace it with a new one. So what else is important is that if you plug it in and you don't see its battery icon, but it is the correct charger. You know, I have a green battery and a blue battery. It doesn't stay on, doesn't turn on. Then, and this is assuming it's a new battery, I'll recommend first changing the battery, but if still not charging, even with the correct charger, it might be the cable itself that got damaged. So this is how it looks. And you can see this end. It's where you plug in. Right, this is your plug here. So this is the other method when I was showing you. You can take out the whole indicator. You can see from the bottom, two connections. This one's actually to the power jack that reads the weight. And this RS32 port, you need to take out two screws. And that's how you get to replacing. If this is the issue, if you had a correct new battery, new charger, and it's still not working, then this charging cable maybe is bad. I've known these have been defective in the past. So if you ever had that problem, you can always email me, and I can send you a replacement charging cable. Because this one goes down here, and you can see from the housing, that connected here, and that goes to the cable charging here. So if you replace the battery and charger, it's still not working, then most likely is that charging cable that needs to be replaced. Very simple. Feed it through, screw on the two ends, and this black end for a printer. So if you had a printer here, you'll plug it into the printer here, and then this one goes out here. So there will be some kind of nut you can screw on the case, and you can see it here. So, and that's how you fix the most common issue. Check the correct battery, and then try to check charger for a power jack to make sure it is working correctly. Any other questions, you can always email me. Thank you. Bye.